Ulfcar, one of Europe's leading companies in the manufacturing and installation of seamless floors. In 1969, we invented and developed the world's first seamless floor. Since then, we have built on the experience and technologies, and today we are one of Europe's leading companies when it comes to product development, manufacturing, and installation of floors worldwide. At our factory in Ulfcar's international headquarters in Denmark, we manufacture Ulfcar products for 500,000 square meters of floor every year. That's why it's very important to think about the environment when it comes to our production. At our laboratory, we have developed a technology that makes 75% of our products based on vegetable oils. 80% of all our products are distributed to customers worldwide, and in close cooperation with our approved Ulfcar partners, we ensure that quality always meets the strict requirements and our eco-friendly and high standards, no matter where in the world the floor is installed. Ulfcar's customers spread across many different industries. We therefore install many different types of floors and coatings for both outdoor and indoor use. All designed for hard and lasting wear from both people as well as big machines. Our dedicated employees at Ulfcar are always ready to help and share experiences and know-how. We work closely together with our customers to find the best possible solution for all types of projects, big and small. Even though we invented the seamless floor and are one of Europe's leading companies in the field, we still think in innovative ways and always aim to create even better products for the future. Welcome to the world of Ulfcar.